Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Govind here. Welcome back to DevBeats. So today I am here to take yet another stage of my college project, that is the real-time violence alert system built by Ben Sabu, CJ Peter, Govind B Chandran, that is me, and Manu Thomas. So in the stage 3 part, we were able to successfully implement the alert system module, right, which is a part of this college project itself, right, the real-time violence alert system. So basically, I'll be going through how I built this alert system and what all goes in the module and the architecture diagram, etc., and all those kind of stuff. So this is stage 3 part, and the stage 1 part and the stage 2 part I've already uploaded in the channel. So please do make sure to check it out. I'll link it in the cards above if you haven't watched it yet. So yeah, coming to the presentation. This is the problem statement. If you have watched the stage 1 part or the stage 2 part of my of this college project, you will understand what's going on, or you can pause this video to understand what's going on. You can read it. It's not really hard to understand what's going on. And the architecture diagram, this is the main architecture diagram or the complete architecture diagram of the college project I'm working on. That's the real-time violence alert system. So we have done the human detection part and the violence recognition part in the stage 1 part and the stage 2 part respectively. And in this part, stage 3 part, we have successfully built the alert system. We have skipped the image enhancement part for now, right? And we have built the alert system. We'll be including the image enhancements part in the stage 4 part, right? And this time we have built the alert system. So you can go through the architecture diagram if you haven't yet by pausing the video, right? And then coming to the methodology, this is not the main methodology. We just use the LSTM model, right? We use the LSTM model to compare it with the MobileNet V2 architecture for accuracy, precision and stuff, because we need to use the more accuracy giving model, right? The better the accuracy, the better the detection and better the whole project would be, right? So for comparing it with the MobileNet V2 architecture, we use the LSTM model. It's not related to the alert system module, so you don't need to understand what's going on here. So coming to the next slide, we have the alert system module. It's not pretty hard to understand. This is the main architecture which you need to understand what's going on here, right? So coming to the architecture diagram of the alert module, the violence is detected as earlier shown in the architecture diagram of the complete project. Violence recognition has happened, and we obtain the violence recognized frame, right? So that's what is happening here. Violence is detected, and 60 frames of violence equals true frames are counted. Okay, so whenever the violence equals true count becomes 60 or 40 or whatever it is, that 60th frame or the 40th frame will be saved. Okay, that one frame will be saved, and using a Python module, we get the current time of the place I'm living in, that is Asia or Kolkata, whatever it be, right? I currently live in India actually. So the current time of India or Kolkata will be obtained using a Python module, and then we use a Telegram bot. We actually built a Telegram bot using Telegram itself. It's pretty easy to build it. I'll tell you how to build it. So we connect it to a Telegram bot, and then using the Telegram bot, we send an image, the saved image, right? The time which we obtained from the Python module, and then the location. So basically, the location is a fixed string. It's a constant string which will not be varying, right? Because the camera's location will be fixed, right? So basically, that is a static string. So the image, time, and the location will be sent to the specified group or the group in which the Telegram bot exists. So this group is where the concerned authorities like the police officers will be present, including the Telegram bot. Okay, so this bot will be sending all these details like the image, time, and the location to the specified Telegram group. Okay, so basically that's the alert system module. So we have the methodology here. You can read this to understand what's going on here. MobileNet V2 architecture. Please do watch the stage 1 part or the stage 2 part to understand what's going on here. And the CNN long short-term memory, I won't be going through this in detail because it's not related to the alert system module, as I said earlier. So if you want, you can read it, or you can check out other articles to understand what actually LSTM is. And then the results is basically us comparing the MobileNet V2 architecture and the LSTM for precision, accuracy, and those kind of stuff. So these are the graphs which we obtained. We obtained about 95% accuracy for the MobileNet V2, and then we obtained around 89% I think for the LSTM. Yeah, 89% for the LSTM module. And then the work plan, you don't need to understand what's going. You can go through this table, okay, to understand the comparison between the two models. And then the work plan, you don't need to understand what's going on here. But basically, we are saying that we have completed around 90% of this project, and the stage 4 part remains, where we will be doing the image enhancement, right? So that will be coming up soon too in this channel. So make sure to check it out. These are the references. You can go through these references if you want. And then yeah, that's all about the presentation right now. So yeah, that's all about the presentation right now. So coming to the GitHub repository, I have tidied up everything for you guys. So the stage 1 part is completed, stage 2 part, and the stage 3 part is also completed right now. So you can read what's going on here, right? All these things are tidied up for you guys, so that you can clone it and build your own real-time violence alert system, or you can do a better version of what I did. So basically, yeah, that's why I built this, or completed this real-time violence alert system GitHub repository for you guys too. So please do make sure to star this repository if you like, right? Please do check it out. And then the alert system folder, where I put the collab notebook for you guys too. I'll be going through that notebook later. And so yeah, that's the link. I shared it with you guys too, for you guys to check it out. And then the image of what's going on here, right? The violence bot, which I talked about earlier, is sending a violence alert with a location, time, and an image. Okay, so that's what's going on. This all happens in a Telegram group. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's what's going on here. And yeah, to replicate your own alert system module, this is the video I used to build out the Telegram module or the alert system module using a Telegram bot. How to build a Telegram bot and send messages to groups. This is the video I used. This is not my video, so it's a pretty good video actually. So please do make sure to check it out. And also, this is Stack Overflow article or the Stack Overflow concern or query to getting the group ID, which is actually quite tricky, because it doesn't happen in the first go, because for some reason. Okay, I don't know, it's some sort of bug. But if you are finding difficulty in getting the group ID of a Telegram group, please do make sure to check this Stack Overflow article out. Okay, I have given the Stack Overflow article for you guys too. So please, repeating once again, I put in a lot of effort for you guys to build your own real-time violence alert system. So please do make sure to put a star in this repository, and also fork it if you want. And also, coming to the GitHub repository, if you feel like you can contribute to this project, this is the GitHub repository, by either giving me suggestions, or tidying up the README part more, or even including a model that you built which has more accuracy than mine, which is about 95%. Please do put a pull request, and if I feel that your pull request is a valid one, or it's really good one, I'll merge it with mine, so that you can also contribute to this GitHub repository. So, right, so that's all about the GitHub repository. Please do check it out, and as always, put a star if you liked it, right? And coming to the Google Collab notebook, which I shared with you guys, I put the link earlier too. This is the same one. This Collab notebook link is the same one which is linked to this, right? So coming to the alert system module Google Collab notebook, this is the Python library I used to build out the complete alert system teleport module, which is a pre-built library in Python, right? So you need to install that, and then these are the libraries which I used. You can go through the code. It's easy to understand if you know Python a bit. And this is the function I used to get the current time of the place I'm living in. So I use the PyTS module to get the current time of where I'm living in, that is Asia or Kolkata, right? And then I use the IST in Indian Standard Time version of it to really understand the correct time of India, right? And this is the code. The main part of the code lies here, right? So as I said earlier, in the presentation, I showed it to you guys. 60 frames of violence equal true needs to come for the image to be saved, but I gave it 40 here so that it works better. I found out that 40 is a perfect number for this particular video I use for testing, right? So yeah, the time is obtained, right? Time is obtained, and the bot is connected using the teleport module. So I need to warn you guys with one thing. This is the group, the Telegram bot ID of my Telegram bot, okay, the violence bot which I built. So please do make sure that you don't use this particular Telegram bot ID, okay, and as well as this Telegram bot, Telegram group ID, okay, because these are the things I built, and you need to build your own bot and your own group to build your own alert system module, right? Please do make sure that you don't use this group ID and you don't use this group, the bot ID, okay? These are mine. I'm generous enough to give you the code so that you can ensure what the group ID and the bot ID looks like, right? So please, I'm repeating it once again, please do make sure that you don't use this stuff, okay? These are private to me. I'm sharing it because I'm generous enough. I hope you guys don't use this group ID and bot ID, okay? And then the videos are, this is the video I used. I uploaded it in the respective folder, home folder. And when we run the module, we get the violence equals true, because violence is contained in this particular video, right? And when it hits 40, it directly goes to the Telegram group. This is the Telegram group which I built, violence notifier, right? And in this Telegram group, we have the violence bot, which will be sending the violence alert, location equal to Mandala, and the current time, which is the 23/5/2022 at 22:51:59, right? Okay, so that's it, the current time, and image. This is the 40th image, okay? 40th violence equals to true, violence equals true image, right? Okay, so that's what the violence bot does. You need to create your own group and your own bot for your module, alert system module, to work, okay? Please do make sure that you do that, okay? So that's what happens in this in the alert system module. I hope you understood what's going on. So if you have any doubts, please do make sure you put it in the comments below so that I can really understand what's your concerns or queries, right? Or you can join our WhatsApp group. So yeah, once again, I urge you guys to check out my GitHub repository and star it if you can. And that's all. I hope you understood what's going on in the alert system module. It's pretty easy. It wasn't easy, to be honest, but after I built out the entire thing, it finally worked out pretty well, right? So that's all about the alert system module, right? The stage 3 part is completed successfully, right? Yep, that's it for the video. I need to make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you like the video, because it really encourages me to push out more and more videos for you guys. Not only me, but Ashna too, because she also needs the motivation that our channel is growing, so that we can really push out content for you guys. If you really liked it, please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video too. So yeah, that's it for the video. I think I completed the 90% of my project, and stage 4 part will be coming soon, right? So make sure you subscribe to the channel, star the repository if you liked it, and push a request too if you can make the repository better somehow. So yeah, that's it for the video. Have a nice day. Thank you guys. Bye.